What is up, guys? So I am shipping to basic training at Fort Jackson today, and I figured I'd show you what I am taking with me in my little bag. I'm going to start off with this bag. It's very similar to the one you get if you are in the National Guard. You might get that one right there. I am personally going into the National Guard, so I had a couple of drill weekends for RSP. I'll make another video talking about that later on. This is a very bag similar to that. I didn't get one from them, but I got this one from Amazon for about $30. Figured I'll use it and have it for later use. I got it camo because from what I've heard, you can't have a civilian style backpack and be traveling in uniform, so you might lose your backpack if you take a regular looking backpack. So that's why I got camo. That way I can use it with my OCPs. In here I have a change of clothes. I have jeans, a shirt, socks, boxer briefs, towel, extra couple of shirts. That's gonna be that. I am taking Ride in the Rain pen, a couple of gel pens, 2 black Sharpies and 2 silver Sharpies, just to mark all my things. And to show you an example of that, I have my soapbox, and it has my name on it. I am taking 2 combination locks. I have my blue book. I am taking a notebook that I can write letters with. I also have envelopes. They are pre-addressed. I got a little label on them with the sticker made. I just printed it out. They're pre-addressed, and I have the stamps on there. I'll pre-stamp them too, just so it saves me time whenever I'm trying to send letters home. That'll just make it easier. And here I have a little Bible that I got at MEPS. I have a phone charger. I have my rosary, and also very important, a tip I got from one of the guys that already went through basic that I saw and talked to at RSP weekend drill. They told me to get some of these earplugs. You're gonna be in the barracks, and it's gonna be 60 people to a bay, so these help out at night to sleep. So I'm taking a couple of those, and I have a little box. Hopefully that can be sent to me later on. This right here is a battery pack. I already had this. I didn't buy this for necessarily for shipping out to basic. I've heard sometimes you get to keep your phone during reception week, and then maybe have access to it on a Sunday or in between phase change from red face to blue face, or from blue face to white face, or red, white, and blue face. So you get your phone back and you get your charger, but you might not necessarily find a plug, and your phone is going to be taken away and put in storage, so it'll eventually, even if you turn it off, it'll run out of battery. So you might, if you have one, or get a cheap one, and that'll help you out, not having to wait for a outlet to charge the phone whenever you're with the 60 other people trying to all have an outlet. I am taking these wet wipes out in the backpack just to use in transit from Texas to South Carolina. I'm taking the standard travel kit. I got this from Walgreens. It's got a toothpaste, a little fold in half toothbrush, shampoo, and some body wash. I purchased this apart. It's some lotion for my skin. And then in this little pouch, I have a Schick razor with 2 refills of blades and shave cream. This was originally in a separate bottle, but it was larger than you can take on the plane, so I had to put in one of these small containers for traveling. You can get those at the travel section at your local store, Walgreens or HEB, Walmart, whatever. In this little bag, I'm taking more wet wipes and my washcloth. And then I have unscented deodorant, foot powder, more shave cream. So I originally got the bigger bottle, so I split it up into 2 different bottles. I also have Q-tips and a bar of soap. Then maybe I can just get away from buying it at the shop at. I'm taking a toothbrush where it has my name, and it's a brand new toothbrush. Hopefully don't have to buy this again. I'm taking a hairbrush, which makes no sense to me because we're gonna be getting our heads shaved. I have the most important part right here. These are your shipping orders. Everything, your medical file, your actual ship orders, and everything should be in here from your recruiter or from your recruiting station. I am also taking this, which is a marathon watch. I got this at Walmart for like $15. It's the all black watch that you're allowed to have, and it's really basic. The reason I chose this one is because it has bigger numbers, it has the date, it has all the functions obviously, but in the glow, it has the blue light on it, so it's makes it easier to see at night instead of just having a little yellow light on the side, which most Casios do. This again is a Marathon by Timex. If it focuses, there we go. It was only about $15 at Walmart. This is gonna be my travel kit, and so what I've always heard from other guys shipping out is pack light. So because you're gonna be carrying this bag whenever you get to reception and you get to basic and shark attack and all that, so you're gonna have to carrying it around, and obviously they're gonna make you do exercises with it and have to hold it above your head and such. So the lighter you pack, the better. So this is basically everything I am taking while I ship out. Everything else I will be buying at the shop bet in reception at the PX. That's basically it, and I am leaving in a couple hours. I'll make a video again whenever I finish with the 10 weeks of basic, and I'm in AIT. I'll be able to make more videos and keep you guys posted. I'll also make a video about dealing with your recruiters, one about going through MEPS, my experience of that, and any other thing that I can think of regarding the military, all the paperwork you have to have, and the physical conditioning you have to do to prepare to leave. In my case, I am 32 years old, and it gets harder the older you get to meet the physical standards, but it is doable, it is possible. I will also let you know about my experience with dealing with younger generation with going through basic and AIT with. So if you older guys, you still want to go for it, look into it. It's worth it. Serving our nation, serving your state, if you're going to the Guard like I am. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, don't forget to like the video, share it around, subscribe if you can, and I'll keep you posted with whatever comes up. All right, have a good day. I'll see you again in a few months after I have completed Army BCT. Benny G signing out. So there you go, guys. This is how my bag is gonna look. It's not that heavy. I can put it in one hand and hold it for a while. It packs down real good. It has some nice straps to press the load, so that's always pretty good. Fits everything I need for a couple of days for reception. Other than that, I am taking just my regular sneakers, pair of slacks, and a t-shirt to travel with. I'm also taking a jacket because apparently the weather's going to be a little bit colder. So I am shipping out, and I should be in Fort Jackson somewhere around 10 p.m. For reception. And when everything is done, I will upload a video and let you know how it went, and I'll keep you posted whenever I can. I'll post a video on how much I really needed all this, what else I would have brought, or what I would have saved weight on by not bringing, and also I'm gonna show you something that I have left prepared for whenever we are allowed to receive mail. I have left a care package, basically, that I can have shipped by my family or my fiance. I've added a whole bunch more of these earplugs, so if I'm allowed to keep them, these can stay in this box. I added a whole bunch of kind of like stretchy boxer briefs, extra toothbrush, and extra Riding the Rain notebooks. I also have one of these notebooks in my backpack already, and I'll put a description to that and for Amazon. I have another little bag with a whole bunch of baby wipes. These are gonna be good. Moleskin. I also have some of that already in my bag. And big box Q-tips. These are always good for hygiene, but they will be useful in cleaning our weapons. So this can get, I'm saving space and weight. More envelopes pre-addressed. So this can get sent to me. The contents of this may vary depending on what they let us have, but it's just a little care package that I pre-made so that my family can send to me whenever I'm there, and I know a bit more about what it is that we're going to be allowed to have. Other than that, everything's pretty good to go, and shipping out today. I'll let you guys know how much of this you really need, and more tips and tricks on how to get by reception and basic and AIT. Alright guys, check y'all later.